welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a Loft haul and one item from Nordstrom that was not on the anniversary sale. So I'll tell you a little story about this because YouTubers forced me to get these things. The first item I saw Laura from Little Box of Happy get this top from Loft. And I needed to get it. For whatever reason, I just really liked it. Now, I do have one smock top like this from this style where it's smocked and then it has the balloon sleeves, but it's a beige, like an off-white, like an ecru, and like a very soft bluish, purplish gingham check. So this is completely different pattern. It's striped and it's like a brown stripe and is it black or navy? I'm not quite sure. Stripes. So I really like this top and I am looking forward to trying on, and it was $20 or approximately $20 on sale. And I got it in my usual extra small. The next thing I got, and reason why I just didn't stop there, I said, oh, Loft only has free shipping at 100 or more. So of course I had to order $100 of the items. I got this jumpsuit. I have been wanting a lighter colored jumpsuit. I have two jumpsuits. One is solid black from Loft and another one black with purplish, a pattern one from White House Black Market. I don't have anything in a lighter color, and this online looked really cute. So it has, it's kind of confusing here. It has spaghetti straps, okay? Or maybe not spaghetti straps, slightly thicker than spaghetti straps, probably bra with straps. And I'm wondering maybe I can get away with wearing a regular bra with this, I'm not sure. And it has the tie in the back, and it has like a tealish color, I'll call it like a terracotta color, a darker color, like an ecru color. And I really like the back of this. And the reviews, the back you tie, but however, I'm wondering if I'm home alone, how am I gonna tie this back? And is it gonna be like a big lump on my back whenever I try and sit down? That was my first thought of it. It got great reviews online. Everyone was raving about the fit. However, when I got this in the mail, I don't know if you can see this. This is a wrinkled mess, and it's 100% rayon. I am not gonna steam this for you. I am gonna try it on, and if it looks fantastic, I'll think about steaming it. And it has to look fantastic, but based on this and the way it looks, I think I'm just gonna return it. And it was not cheap. It was $59.70 was the price that I paid for it. So I don't know, I can see this thing being a giant mess wearing it. All right, next thing I got from Loft. Okay, I've been looking for a sleeveless mock neck top. This fit the bill, and guess what? This got me up to my $100 order. Literally, my order was $100.39, and that's how I got my free shipping. So this is in an extra small. It's like a stretchy type of fabric. Let's see if I can find the content of this. Definitely has a lot of lycra in it, poly lycra. No, 57% cotton, 42% polyester, only 1% spandex. Seems a lot more spandexy. I also have one from the anniversary sale that's by Vince Camuto, a sleeveless mock sweater. I think I'd rather have that, but I would try them. I would keep this if it fits decently and then try them both on and see which I like better. And this was $20, okay? Then, something that I saw Missy from Remaking Missy get, I think it was in her trunk club a while ago, was this top from ASTR the Label. I have a thing for ASTR the Label, you know that? I really like his tops, or her tops. This is a little sexy. It's a little bit, shows a little bit of tummy. It's pretty low cut. It does have a modesty snap here. It has the balloon-like sleeves, and it has a cool twist in the front, and this is a taupe color. And what is the material made out of in this one? 80% rayon, 20% nylon, and the inside lining, because it is lined, is polyester, and it is dry clean only. I really like this top, and spoilers, I did try it on and I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna try it on and make sure it looks good on film, and if it does. Not cheap, $88. She had gotten it a while ago and I tried to order it and they were out, and I guess they got restocked, and when I saw it come up I went, oh, I'm getting it, you know? Not cheap, but I really like it. All right, give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, this is the first time I'm actually filming myself in this, so I'll have to see whether I like it. It does have a modesty snap, but I will be using a little bit of Hollywood tape here to make sure that it stays closed, just a little bit right here, you know, so it doesn't poke open. You know, if I raise my arms, it doesn't go up, but it does reveal a little bit of my stomach right here. It comes down and covers in the back. Okay, and I'm wearing it with a pair of Dolce Vita snakeskin, I guess slides or mules, open-toe mules, whatever you would call them. So, and I think I really like this, but I'll have to, again, check the footage and see how it looks, see if this sticks out like a tummy roll. I'm not sucking it in, so I'll just have to see what it looks like on film, all right? Okay, next top from Loft. Give me a minute. Okay, this one I do have to suck in a little bit because it is form-fitting. Here is the back of it. I'll have to look to see how many rolls are actually showing up, because obviously I can't suck in my back. I like the top. I'll have to again look at the footage to see if it looks good on me, but this is a cute top and it was like 20 bucks. It comes down, the sleeves come down to the elbow. It has that square neckline. It is falling off my shoulders a bit. This is an extra small. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna look back at the footage to see if I like it. Again, the back. Okay. Next one is the mock neck. Give me a minute. Okay. Last up is the mock neck, and it is what I was looking for. My only complaint is I'm wearing a new bra, and it does show a little bit of my bra. Obviously, I'll be wearing a black bra with this, so it won't be so noticeable. I had to actually kind of fiddle around with it. I'm gonna hold on to this though and see if the Vince Camuto one fits better that I got from Nordstrom when it comes in, and then I'll decide which one to keep. But this is nice. It's loose around my neck. It's light enough. You can wear it pretty much all year round. I was thinking of wearing this under jackets and blazers and whatnot. But it's good for summer. It's good for, you know, and it's seasonless. So I'm going to actually compare the two and then decide. Here's the back of it, and you probably can see some rolls back here, but again, I was gonna mostly use this under something versus on its own. All right, next up is the jumpsuit. Give me a minute. Okay, this is a cute jumpsuit. However, I think I'm gonna return it just because I cannot get over the wrinkles. It's very thin, very, very, very thin. And it's just a complete wrinkled mess. And for 60 bucks, I can't see myself dealing with this every time I wanna wear it. So I did wear my bra with it. Question is whether it's bra friendly or not. So my straps, I think, are hidden. I have to look at the footage. My straps are hidden pretty well. However, I'm here all alone and I have no one to tie the back. So I had to tie it myself, and I couldn't get it to where you wouldn't be able to see my bra, but maybe if somebody tied it for me, we can hide the bra back there too. I'm not sure. The other thing that I don't know about is there's that tie back there. So I think sitting down and leaning back would be kind of uncomfortable. I wish it were just a band versus a tie back there, if that makes sense. Like, I love the cutout. I think that's kind of cute. But for me, I think it also covers up my back fat. My back fat tends to be lower. For me, it makes more sense to have it just like flat across there versus having a tie, because it makes it very difficult to tie as well. You know, it comes like mid-calf for me, which isn't too bad. It's cute, very thin, no pockets, okay? So I think this one is going back. I'll have to look at the footage of the others to make sure. And that's it. What did you think of my Loft haul and my one top from Nordstrom? Thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I do a lot of shopping hauls and try-ons. You can watch my videos, give it a thumbs up, click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.